Hi everyone. So I continue on the lesson. This is topic 3. So we finished so we finished here some just simplifications and calculations and more bed mass on algebra, and right now I want to talk about binomial to a power. Okay, so if I have two terms and I have exponent, what should I do? So here you can see I just have a space for power 0 and power 1 and power 2 and power 3 and power 4, but then you would ask, okay, how about if I have power 10? So what do you do? So here I want to show you, maybe we can come up with a pattern that we can follow for every power. Okay, so let's start from power 0. Okay, if I have something power 0, a number power 0, or some variables power 0, so what is the answer? The answer is 1. Okay, so I know here the answer is 1. Okay, so easy. So maybe, okay, maybe I can write it here. So 1. How about the next one? So a plus b power 1. So it's a plus b. Done. Okay. How about the next one? So a plus b squared, which is plus multiple a plus b. Okay, so that's a squared plus ab plus ba plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so I can just highlight them. Okay, now I continue. Okay, a plus b power 3, or a plus b cubed. Okay, so that's a plus b times a plus b squared, which is a plus b times a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, because I already have, which is a cubed plus 2a squared b plus ab squared plus ba squared plus 2ab squared plus b cubed, which is, when I just find like terms, so this one and this one and this one, this one and this one and this one. Okay, so it is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so I can highlight that and I can go to the next one. Okay, the next one is power 4. So what should I do for power 4? Okay, power 4 is a plus b power 2, or squared, multiple a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, from where I have from the top, multiple another thing, the same thing here. Okay, so now what should I do? I have to do this, or maybe I can make it easier for myself and I can just say, oh yes, that's easier. I can say that's easier for me if I say a plus b times a plus b power 3. Okay, so a plus that's easier. Okay, so now I do a plus b times a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed, which is a power 4 plus 3a cubed b plus 3a squared b squared plus ab cubed plus ba cubed plus 3a squared b squared plus 3ab cubed plus b power 4. Now I can correct them. So this one and this one, and let me see. Okay, this and this one and this one and this one and this one and this. Okay, so equal a power 4 plus 4a, let me see, 2. Okay, so I cross it. See, if I don't cross, I forgot. So I forget. So 3a squared b plus ba squared. So it's 4a squared b plus, so I can cross them. Oh yes, here. So this one and this one. So it is, yes, this and this 6. So it is 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed, okay, plus b power 4. Okay, so yes, so I can highlight that as well. Okay, and I just do this and this and this. Okay, so see, I can find them for power 0 it's easy 1, for power 1 is easy, for power 2 I multiply them twice, for power 3 I multiply them 3 times, for multiple 4, so power 4 I multiply them 4 times. Okay, and it's easy to calculate because I have other steps. Okay, but how about if I have a plus b power 5? So you would say, okay, I do a plus b squared and I do a plus b cubed. I have both of them. I can use it. I know, but I would say yes, I know, or I can say this one power multiple power 4. Yes, both of them are possible. But how about if I have power something, a large number? What should I do in that case? So if I have a plus b power 15, for example, what should I do? Okay, so that's a question. So here it's not bad if I come up with just a pattern or something. Okay, so here I can talk about Pascal triangle. So Pascal was just someone, was a French mathematician who just noticed this, and so just made this idea about the this triangle here. And I can tell you. Okay, so look at there and tell me what do you see beside each. Okay, so for the first one, what do you see? The first one is just 1. Okay, so I can write 1. The second one is just a plus b, so I do 1, 1. Okay, the other one is a squared, ab, b squared. Okay, so 2ab, so it is 1, 2, 1. The next one is 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so I can see 1 beside that, I can see 3 here, I can see 3 here, I can 1 here. I can see 1 here. How about the next one? The next one is 1 and 4 and 6 and 4 and 1. Okay? So, do you notice something here that, for example, I can make each line with help of the line, the previous lines. Okay? So, each line can be made by help of the so line of the previous one. Okay, so I would say, okay, so let's look at here. Okay, I can see there is a pattern here because I can see 1 is here and I can see 1 is here and I can see each one inside, which is not 1, is summation of 2 others, the top. So, okay, this one is 2, okay, and it is summation of these 2, okay, just the top. So it's like if you open your hands, okay, and you just make a triangle, okay, and then using 2 top number you can make 2. How about 3? How about 3? Okay, so can I say 3 is 1 plus 2? Yes. Can I say this 3 is 2 plus 1? Yes. Can I say, how about that? Can I say 4 is 1 plus 3? Yes. Can I say 6 is 3 plus 3? Yes. Can I say 4 is 3 plus 1? Yes. Okay. So, I can say I have a triangle which just each their right side and the left side are 1, and inside, whatever number is inside is made by summation of 2 top numbers. Okay, so summation of two top numbers. So then I can say, how about the number on there? How about the next row? How about the next row? Okay, the next row would be for a plus b power 5. Yes? Yes, okay. So, what should I do? Okay, can I put 1 here? Yes, yes, I know. The outside is 1. Can I put 1 here? Yes, yes, yes. Outside is 1. How about inside? Inside is summation. So 5, summation of these two, summation of these two is 10, summation of these two is 10, summation of these two is 5. Oh, nice. How about just how about the terms? What should I write for the terms? Okay, for the terms. Okay, let's look at each line. The first line is just 1. The next line is A and B. The other one is A squared, AB, B squared. A cube, A squared B, AB squared, B cubed. Okay, so what do I notice here? I notice when I have A power 4, it starts from A power 4. Then the next one, I have to reduce from power of A and I have to add to power of B. Okay, so A power 4 will be A power 3 and then B power 0 goes to B power 1. The next one, I reduce from A, I add to B. The next one, I reduce from A, I add to B, and the next one, I reduce from A, so it will be A power 0, which is 1, B power 4. And I continue to B power 4 because I see 4 there. Oh, okay, so how about for this one? Can I say? Yes, it is A power 5. How about next? Okay, I reduce from A, I add to B. So it's A power 4, B1. A power 3, B2. A power 2, B3. A power 1, B4. And B power 5. Oh, perfect. So, it's a lot easier to remember this pattern than just multiplying several brackets. Okay? So right now I can even say up to power 10. What do I need? I need to have the triangle from beginning, okay? Because I need to make it. I need to make the last row. And I just need to build the terms. How do I make my terms? I start from the first one to power. I reduce from first one, I add to the next one. Reduce, add, until I reach to the end. Okay? So, okay, nice. So now, what can I do here? Okay, it's power 4. Okay. So, when I see power 4, how many rows do I need in order to reach to power 4? Okay, so look at here. If it is power 4, I need 1 for power 0, 1 for power 1, 1 for power 2, 1 for 3, and 1 for 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's power 4 exponent. Exponent is 4. I need 5 rows of the Pascal triangle. Okay, so let me make it. Okay, so it is 1. Do I have a space here? So maybe I do this here. So exponent is 4, so I need 5 rows. Okay, so I start from 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. How do I know? Okay, I know outside is 1, and I know each inside is made by the 2 up one. Okay, so 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So I need the first row, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Okay, I stop now. I don't need more. This is related to power 0. This is related to power 1. This is related to power 2. This is related to power 3. And this is related to power 4. Okay? I stop. Okay, so I see power 4. I need 5 rows. Okay, good. Now, I have these numbers. What do I know about terms? Okay, so let me do it. Equal 1. I see 1 there. Okay. Multiple 4x power 4 is the first one. Remember, you have 4x there. You have to treat that as a. That's a and b is y. And then you simplify it. This is just the last part. Simplification is the challenging part. Knowing the triangle is not hard. For exponent 5 rows is not hard. Powers for terms is not hard, but at the end simplification is just the challenging part that you need to be careful. Okay, so this plus 4 multiple. I reduce from this and I add to this. Oh, plus 6 4x power 2y squared plus 4x power 1y this plus y power 4. Okay? How do I know 1, 4, 6, 4, 1? I know from here. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay? When I don't see, it's 1. Okay? How about for the power? I told you, it is this power 4 first, and then you reduce from this, add to the next one. So the other one goes 3 and 1, 2 and 2, 1 and 3, and the other one 4. Another hint for you. If you add all the powers, it's always 4. See, this is 4. 4 plus 1 is 4. Sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 is 4. Okay? Right? Perfect. So that's also my hint. Okay, so now from now is my simplification. Okay, so 4 power 4 comes out. Multiple x power 4 plus 4 times 4 power 3 comes out. Multiple this plus 6 4 power 2 x squared y squared comes out. Okay, plus 4 comes out, and this is xy cubed plus y power 4. Now I have to simplify it. Okay, so I think it's 256 because it's 16 times 16. Yes. Yeah. So 256 x power 4 plus 256 this plus 96 this 16 this 1 this. Okay, so this part is just the last part is very important that you have to calculate this. Okay, and because you don't have x inside, you have 4x inside. Okay, so you have to first look at the power, find out how many rows you need, write those rows, it has mark, then go to writing the terms. For the terms, you start from the 1 to the power, you reduce, add until you see the end one. And then simplify, because you have a number inside. How about this one? This has more work. Okay, so nice. What is the power? Exponent is 5. So we need 6 rows. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. I'm done. This is for power 0, power 1. Okay. So this is for power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, and power 5. I can stop. Okay? How about the powers? Oh, I see 2x and I see minus 3y. Okay? Doesn't matter. Okay, so 1, 2x power 5. Remember, 2 goes inside and then you calculate and then you bring it out. Okay. So plus 5, 2x power 4 times minus 3y. Remember, minus 3y all together inside, because when I made the formula, it was for a plus b. That's it. Now, instead of a, I have 2x. Instead of b, I have minus 3y. Oh, okay. So plus 10, 2x power 3 minus 3y power 2. Okay, I'm good, because 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so I can continue. Oh my God, what happened? Okay, yeah, so, okay. After a while, OneNote is always crazy when we are using it. Okay, so, plus 10, 2x power 2 minus 3y power 3 plus 5 2x power 1 minus 3y power 4. 1 minus 3y power 5. Okay? Look at these numbers. Yes, these numbers, they are coming from here. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And the power, remember, don't change the order, because it will be wrong. The order is the first one power 5. Then you reduce, add to the next one. Okay, and when you add all the powers, it's 5. Yes. Okay, now simplify it. Okay, the first one is 2 power 5 comes out. Plus, okay, so x power 5 plus 5 times 2 power 4 times minus 3. Okay, x power 4, y power 1 plus 10, 2 power 3 minus 3 power 2. Yes, x, this. Okay, x cubed, y squared plus 10, 4 multiple minus 27, which is minus 3 cubed. Okay, times x y power 4. Am I right? Oh, I'm doing, yes, I'm doing the other one. So it is x squared y cubed. The next is 5 times 2 times minus 3 power 4 times x y power 4. And the last but not least is plus minus 3 power 5 y power 5. Okay? So how many terms I have? Okay, so I have, what do you guess for terms? 6 terms, yes. See, when I have power 0, I have 1 term. When I have power 1, I have 2 terms. When I have power 2, I have 3 terms. Power 3, I have 4 terms. Power 4, 5 terms, and now 6 terms. Okay, so now I can calculate. The answer is 32 x power 5 plus, no, minus. Okay, one of them will be, so plus, one minus. Okay, so 5 times 16 times 3. So it's minus 240, okay, minus 240 x power 4y. Next is 8, 10 times 8 times 9. Okay, so plus 720 x cubed y squared. And as you can see, one of them plus, one of them minus. When you have plus minus, so it's like that. So when you have minus between them, one of them plus, one of them minus for sure. Okay, so that's that. And then you do 40 multiple 27, but negative. Okay, so minus 1080, okay, x squared y cubed. And then the next one is so 810 x y power 4. Okay, and the next one is minus, it is, yeah, 243. So 243 y power 5. Okay, see, so I look at my power, I see how many rows do I need. Okay, then I just start from beginning. I make the Pascal triangle. Then I start from beginning. I do the first one power, and then I reduce from that power. I add to the next one. But remember, when I have 2 and minus 3, so I have to keep 2 and minus 3 inside the bracket, and then I have to calculate after. Okay, look at this. This is inside. This one is inside. This one is inside. This one is inside. This one is inside. Okay, and I follow all the patterns, or everything for powers and everything. So the same as if I have just a and b, and then I calculate. When I have minus between them, it's 1 plus 1 minus for sure. Okay, so now you can have any binomial to any power, plus, minus, with any coefficient, with any number beside. You can do it. Okay, for example, I can give you something like that. I can give you, for example, minus 3x plus 2y. For example, power 3. For example, okay, so You can say it is 2y minus 3x power 3, and you have to be just careful. Or you can say, okay, so I keep it that way and I just go by minus and plus. Okay, so what do you have for power 3? Okay, for power 3, you have 1, 3, 3, 1, right? Okay, so it is 1 minus 3, sorry, minus 3x power 3, right? Plus 3 minus 3x power 2 multiple 2y plus 3 minus 3x power 1 multiple 2y squared plus 2y power 3. Okay, do I have the right thing here? Yes, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so when I don't see, so it's 1, right? Okay, how about for power? Yes, power 3, 2 and 1, 1 and 2, so it is 2 and 1, 1 and 2 and 3. Yes, 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 good. How about numbers are inside? Yes, yes, numbers are inside. Okay, now I have to calculate. So it is, the first one is minus 27x cubed. Okay, the next one is here plus. Okay, so the next one is I think it's 27 times 2, 54. It's plus 54 x squared y. The next one minus, and it is 4. Okay, 4 multiple minus 9, so which is minus 36. Okay, so xy squared, and the next one is plus 8y cubed. Okay, I think I'm right. So it's 4 multiple minus 9. Yes, yeah. Okay, so you have to follow that. Thank you so much. I continue the video after. So this is video 3 here. So we are going to have a lot of fun when we are going to learn solving equations. Solving equations can be very challenging, but it can be very, very easy if you learn what to do, if you know what to do, if you know all the steps. I can give you fractional, I can give you decimal in the numbers, I can give you just several variables like lateral equations, and you can solve it if you know what to do and what should be done when you want to solve equations. Okay, so I really want your full attention for solving equations, because it's very important when you continue in math and when you continue in science. You really have to be able to solve equations. Okay, thank you so much. Just bye.